Hi friends, welcome to Kala's Math World. Today, let me give you an introduction to algebraic expression. Consider that in a school, there is 576 children are there. Now, the teacher wants to accommodate them in a hall for a function. So, how will you arrange them? So, we need to arrange them in some rows and columns so that we can accommodate all the students in that hall. Okay. So, how will you know that how many columns or how many rows will be there, right? Now, suppose that hall can accommodate only 8 columns. So what will be the number of rows so that we can accommodate all the children? Okay, so 8 into here we are having some unknown value. So here we will put it as x and we will have the total as 576. Now what is the x value here? Here x is equal to 72, right? Because 72 into 8 is 576. Okay, suppose that this 72 is too long for that hall. Then what we will do? So we will try to accommodate some more columns. Some more columns we will accommodate. Suppose that it is 12. Then how many rows will be there? So there also we will have total as 576. Now we have to find out new number of rows. So here x is equal to what is 576 by 12? Yes, that is 48. Now, still the teacher thinks that no, I need same number of rows or columns. So here number of columns and number of rows are equal and the total should be 576. So what does it mean? X square is equal to 576. So what is the x value here? Here x value will become 24 because 24 square is 576. Now look here. So here we had 8x is equal to 576, right? Here we had one equation. Here again we had another equation, 12x is equal to 576. Look, and here we had x square is equal to 576, right? So here all this here we can see that there is a constant and there is one alphabet we have put and we can say it as variable and we got an answer. Now this 8x or 12x or x square, all these x into x which is equal to x square, all these we will call it as algebraic expression. So what is an algebraic expression? Algebraic expression is nothing but it is having a constant variable or it can be connected with any operations like plus, minus, multiplication or division. So we will call it as algebraic expression. So when an algebraic expression has an equal to symbol and value on the right hand side and left hand side, then we will call it as equation. Okay, so this is an equation and only this 8x or 12x or x square, all these will become algebraic expressions. Not only one term, we can write it as another algebraic expression like x square plus 2xy. So this is also a algebraic expression. So here we are having variable constant and this is connected with addition, right? So basic operation addition and here we have multiplication. So all these are basic operation is also coming and we are having variable, we are having constants. So this all together we will call it as algebraic expression. Okay, now so algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variables which is connected by operation like addition, subtraction, etc. So we are having a constant here, variables here. So it will be connected with addition, subtraction or anything. Okay. Now what is this variable or what is a constant? So variable is nothing but it can take various value. So variable is nothing but the terms which can take variable different values. Now look at here. So in the first equation, we got x is equal to 72, right? So first thing, x takes the value of 72. Now in second thing, so x takes what value? So here x takes 48. So here 72 is the value and here 48. Now look at here. So we are having value as 24. So a variable is nothing but it has various values. The value is not fixed. So we can use any alphabet A, B or etc. X, Y, L, M, so etc. is used to denote the variables. So the constant is nothing but constant we know, right? So it is a numerical value which has fixed value. Look here, all the places we are having the fixed value. So 576 was fixed. So it is a constant. In the first expression, 8x is equal to 576. So here we can see that 8 is a constant and here 8 is a constant and x is a variable. Look at this expression. Here, is there any constant is available? Yes, constant is there. What is it? X square. So 1 into x square we can take it as, and 576. So here what are the constants? So 576 is a constant. Here 1 is also a constant. Okay, understood? So this is the very basic thing. So algebraic expression is nothing but which is having variable, constant, and which is connected with the operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. Okay. Now let's learn about the terms and coefficients of algebraic expression. Okay, what is a terms? So term is nothing but terms of expression is a part of an expression which has formed separately first, and then added as no. Then we are added. So we have already seen that, right? So let's see that. Consider the algebraic expression 4x square plus 8xy. So this is an algebraic expression. Now listen here. So here we are having two terms. That is, this is first term and this is second term. So this is connected with addition. So it is having two parts. So first part is 4x square. So this we can write it as 4x square. And another part is 8xy. So this is connected with the operation addition. So this is called first term and this is called second term. Okay. Now for example, a square minus 2ab. So how many terms are there here? Yes, two terms are there. So what is the first term? First term is nothing but a square. So what is the second term? So second term is nothing but minus 2ab, because this can be written as a square plus minus 2ab, right? So a square plus minus 2ab. So the terms or parts of the expression will be connected with addition. So if it is a negative symbol, so we can write it as a square plus minus 2ab. Understood? Okay. So now let's see that 3x square plus 4x minus 2xy. Here, how many terms are there? Yes. So this is the first term. So 3x square is the first term. Second term is 4x and third term is, what is third term? Yes, minus 2xy, right? So here we are having three terms, first term, second term, and minus 2xy is the third term. Okay, now we can see what is a coefficient of algebraic expression. coefficient of a term. The numerical factor of a term is called a coefficient. Okay, now see this example. Here we are having first term 4x square, right? Is there any numerical term is there in this term? Yes, we are having 4 as the numerical term, right? So, for the first term, what is the coefficient? So, coefficient of first term is nothing but 4. So, here, what is the coefficient of second term? The coefficient of second term will be 8xy. So, this will be this term. Coefficient of this term will be 8. So, coefficient is the numerical factor of a term. So, how many terms are there? You will take only the numerical factor, otherwise the constant factor. Okay. So, here 4 is the constant and here 8 is the constant. So, coefficient of first term will become 4 and coefficient of second term will become 8. Okay. So, for example, here in 10xy plus 4y. So, what is the coefficient of first term? That is 10 is the coefficient of the first term. What is the coefficient of second term? That is 4. Okay. Now, consider this equation. So, in this equation, we can say that what is the coefficient here? So, here in this term, 3 is the coefficient, right? So, here it is nothing but 4. What is the coefficient here? Yes, here the coefficient is minus 2. Understood? Now we can see like terms and unlike terms. So what are like terms and what are unlike terms? So consider two algebraic expressions 4xy, 2x square or 9xy, 7xy, 4x square, 8x. Okay, let's say 10y. Okay, so these are all some algebraic expressions. So here we can say that. So what is the variable part here? So here variable part is xy. So first one variable part is xy. So you have to check it out. Any other algebraic expression has the same variable part. Look here in 9xy we are having the same variable part and here also we are having same variable part. So this 4xy, 9xy and 7xy. These three makes a like fraction. Okay, like expression. So what is it? So like term is nothing but when terms have the same algebraic factors. They are like terms. So here we are having xy as the algebraic factors. That is what is the variable part. So this variable part we are calling it as algebraic expression. Algebraic factor, sorry. So here we are having xy as the algebraic factors here. So here 4xy, 9xy and 7xy are like terms. Now consider, is there any like terms are there? Look here, 2x square and 4x square. So here the variable part is x square, otherwise algebraic factor is an x square. So this 2x square and 4x square are like terms. So 2x square and 4x square are like terms here. So what is unlike term? So consider here 7xy and 8x. If you are considering 7xy and 8x. So what is the algebraic part here? Here algebraic part is xy. So what is the algebraic part here? This is nothing but x. Is it same? No, this is not same. So this is unlike term. So unlike term has different algebraic factors. Like term has same algebraic factors. Understood? Now we can see some sums so that we can do it. Okay. Identify the terms and their factors in the following expression. So we have factors here. Some algebraic expressions are given. So you have to find out the terms and their factors. Okay, now let's see the first question. So what is the first question? X minus 3, right? So x minus 3. How many terms are there? So here we can see that there are two terms because only one symbol is there in the middle. So this is the first term, this is the second term, right? So what is the first expression here? X minus 3. So what are all the terms are there? So terms are x and next term is minus 3, right? So what all factors are there? There is only one factor here, right? So this is a constant. Now consider second expression. What is second expression? So that is nothing but b 1 plus x plus x square. So how many terms are there? So we can see that 1, 2. 2 addition symbol is there, right? So this is first term, this is second term and this is third term. So this has how many terms? 3 terms. 1, 2 and 3. So this has 3 terms. Now what are all the factors here? So here this is having, this can be written as how? X into x, right? So this can be written as x into x. So this is having 2 factors. So here only one term. So this is a constant. Now here you can see that I have used a continuous line and dotted line, right? So the dotted lines are used to show the terms, factors, and these continuous lines are shown to identify the terms. So this is terms which is connected with the continuous line and this is factors. So the factors has been connected with the dotted lines. Okay, now consider the third question. What is the third question? That is C. So C is nothing but y minus y cube, right? So y minus y cube. What is the expression here? Y minus y cube. Y minus y cube. So how many terms are there? Yes, 2 terms, y and minus y cube, right? So what are all the factors? Y here, y minus y, y. Minus 1. So this can be written as minus 1. Minus symbol we can represent with minus 1. So we are having the factors y, y and minus 1. So here dotted lines are used to represent the factors and continuous lines are used to represent the terms. Okay. Now what is the next question? D. That is 5x square, 5xy square plus 7x square y, right? So how many terms are there? Yes, 2 terms, 5xy square. And here 7x square y. So what are all the factors here? 5x and y square can be written as y into y, right? So here 7, x square can be written as x into x and y. Okay, now can you do the next one similar way? Okay, so you can do that. I'll leave that. Okay, now you are having to next question is also same thing, but you no need to draw the tree diagrams. Here we have drawn the tree diagrams. Next question we no need to draw the tree diagrams. So what is the next question here? Identify the terms and factors in the expression given below. So you need to only identify the terms and factors here. So what is the first question? Minus 4x plus 5. So how many terms are there? So we are having two terms, right? Two terms. What are all there? Minus 4x and 5. Right? Minus 4x and 5. So what are the factors here? Minus 4 and x. Now for the second term, we are having only 5. That is constant. Okay. Now what is the next question? Minus 4x plus 5y. So how many terms are there? Two terms. What are all the terms? Minus 4x, 5y. Right? Minus 4x and 5y. So how many factors are there here? Minus 4x. Right? Whole here 5y. Okay. So the similar way, can you do the next question? Okay. So that's it for the introduction of algebraic expression. So for the next portions, I will be coming with the next video. Thank you.